climb inside the 2009 Dodge Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.